So as you all can hear, it's raining again, which is normal, but something about this rain feels very like elementary school, rainy school day, watching a movie and eating tomato soup and a grilled cheese sandwich. So I really want that right now. So I opened Yum 24, which is like Uber Eats here in Cambodia, and I found it. So hopefully when it arrives, it tastes good. I'll show you all what it looks like. Hi! Yeah! Okay, so I got it. Let's see. Ooh, this should be the same. Oh, it smells so good. This is the soup. So sometimes in Cambodia I've tried like tomato soups, but it always just tastes like marinara sauce. Like you're just sitting and eating a whole bowl of marinara sauce. So let's try this dipped in. No way! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. No, it like never stops. Oh my gosh, wait, hold on. Ah! Okay, dip it in the soup. This fits exactly how I was feeling today.